Good evening, all of you. I hope you all are doing well. These are the tough times, and we really have to hang on. So, as I promised long back, that I'll come up with a video on skill test that you have to clear after you have cleared the entrance test of NSTET. With this, I also want to congratulate all the students who have cleared NSTET this time. So, I hope you like some of the important inputs that I came across while I was clearing my skill test. सो आपका जो ओवरऑल स्किल टेस्ट होता है दैट इज ऑफ 100 मार्क्स, जिसमें से 50 आपका सीधा सीधा एनएसटेट का एवरेज लिया जाएगा और 50 में से मार्क कर दिया जाएगा. द रेस्ट 50 इज वॉट हाउ यू परफॉर्म इन द स्किल टेस्ट इन ऑल द 4 कोर departments, that is front office, F&B, food production and accommodation, and 10 marks is of your teaching skill test. Teaching skill test हम लोग completely differently लेते हैं. There is a trick on how to crack it. I'm going to talk about it in detail later in this video. First let's start with all the 4 core departments. सबसे पहले आपका food production आता है. फूड प्रोडक्शन में आपको डेफिनेटली दे आर गोइंग टू गिव यू 3 to 4 hours and you have to prepare a menu. Now that menu, it depends. There might be a chit system. चिट आपको उठानी होगी, उसमें आपका मेन्यू लिखा है. ज़्यादातर जितने इंटरव्यू मैंने दिया उसमें कॉन्टिनेंटल मेन्यू आया है. सो थर्ड ईयर्स कॉन्टिनेंटल मेन्यू, प्लीज़ प्रिपेयर ऑल द dishes, soup, and then your non-veg, and then your in detail whatever it is. Then your breads, do practice breads. Breads ज़रूर आती हैं. अब breads वो दे देंगे that you have to make 5 shapes or 8 shapes of soft rolls or maybe hard rolls, depending on that. So practice that. Now sometimes they just give you prepare a Chinese menu, French menu, Italian menu, German menu. In that you have your own choice, आपको क्या बनाना है. सो उसमें एक मेन प्रिपरेशन होती है, उसके साथ यू हैव टू हैव अ वेजिटेरियन साइड course and maybe a soup you can give or anything else. So mashed potatoes hote hain, then you have peas and then sauteed vegetables, all these things you can add on. It depends. Now sometimes if you are lucky enough then they might also give you that prepare a menu of your own. तो उसमें आप एक ऐसा मेन्यू भी प्रैक्टिस करके जाओ जो आपका 100% है जिसमें, and you are able to do that. So this is basically about it. Now there is one tip that I would want to give you, that you will be marked not only on the basis of the taste, look, texture of your food, but there are other factors as well, like your hygiene. आप कितना cleanliness maintain करके रख रहे हो throughout your performance. Try not to keep any waste. If there is any, try to discard it as soon as possible. जो भी आपका left over है उसको उसी समय में आप dispose off कर दो, क्योंकि invigilators घूमते रहते हैं. They keep an eye on all of the contenders. Secondly, it will be grooming. When I was giving the test, I was in my proper kit from head to toe. I had cap, necktie, coat, pant, as well as shoes. Some people give it in shorts and then wear an apron over it. Some people just wear pants, black pants. So आप कर सकते हो if you don't have the chef coat, but if you definitely want to score a 10 on 10, you should have a perfect grooming. So all these things you should keep in mind while performing the food production test. Second, let's talk about accommodation operation. There you have to perform 2 tasks. First is your bed making and second is flower arrangement. Bed making, we have done it in first year. So either of the two, traditional or modern, they can ask you to do that. You should know, apart from these, you should know turn down service, what kind of bed making is in that, different types of fold, night fold and all, you should know in detail. So cover everything, don't leave it. They can ask anything. Second is your flower arrangement. Flower arrangement, they can ask directly. There is again a chit system, और उसमें question होगा that make a round arrangement, make an oval arrangement, crescent, triangular, right angle triangle, जो भी दिया है. This is a simple and direct question. However, they can also give you a situation based arrangement. For example, they'll give you that make an arrangement for the lobby, for the central table or conference hall, or maybe coffee table, side table, all these things. Now here they want to test the in-depth knowledge of your arrangements, whether you know that what shape goes where. For example, agar koi central arrangement hai, then you are going to make an oval or a round arrangement because it's visible from all the sides. If you're going to make a round arrangement for the side table, then it is definitely going to be a wrong arrangement. So basically you should know everything. Now the third is front office. In front office there are 2 to 3 tasks that you have to perform. This is again of 10 marks. First is your PMS, that is IDS. You have to perform a task on IDS. You will be given around 15 to 20 minutes for the task. There might be reservation, registration, postings, cashiering, or any report that you have to download and show, all these things. Anything they can ask. Again, there is a cheat system. Next is your situation handling. You will be asked, the interviewer will give you any situation, and you have to give the best solution for that. For example, there is a drunken guest at your reception at night and there's no one for your help. How are you going to handle it? Or any kind of situation where the reservation went wrong, how are you going to deal with the customer? All these things. So in this, the key is that you just have to be confident and you have to use the maximum of your brain. There is nothing that I would want you to refer to here. It's all about the wit and about how quickly you're able to think and come up with an answer. It's totally about you. So just be confident. There is no right and wrong answer. It's just how you are able to handle the situation. And definitely the next is your grooming. Grooming plays a very, very important role in front office. Needless to say, you should be pin and proper from your hair to your uniform to your shoes. Everything should be neat. There are specific marks for that in front office. Now coming up to the last but a very important department, that is F&B. F&B, again you have 2 to 3 tasks that you have to perform. First will be your table setup. Table setup, again chit system. You will be given any dish. It might be starter, it might be main dish, it might be a dessert. For example, it might be angels on horseback, corn on the cob, devils on horseback, or maybe some soup, creme de berry, or any consomme, anything, or main dish, any chicken dish or vegetarian. It might be an Indian menu also. तो आपको कोई एक मेन्यू मिलेगा, उसका आपको टेबल सेटअप करना. So all the crockeries and cutleries will be on the side table. You just have to go there and grab whatever you think is suitable for your menu. Now one tip, always use a salver no matter what. Don't bring any crockery cutlery in your hands. There will be an invigilator who is going to mark you on all these spaces. Second is, मैंने आपको एक book recommend की थी, that is Cinderella one. In that you have a topic called as dishes and its accompaniments. उसमें साथ में हर एक डिश के साथ क्रॉकरी कटलरी कहाँ पे प्लेस होगी और कैसे कौन सी क्रॉकरी कटलरी यूज होगी वो लिखा है, उसे पढ़ के जाना. So you will have an idea that with which kind of a dish what cutlery goes. There is a clear indication of all these things. Next 2 tasks will be your service and your clearance. So both English and American, you should know which is from the left hand side, which is from the right hand side. Clearance, you should be clear कैसे करते हैं, कहाँ से करते हैं. You should be confident, don't shiver. You should know how to do the water service. So there will be a guest or the invigilators that will be sitting and you just have to serve them, and that's it. So just be confident throughout. Even if you do something wrong or even if you spill the water, just try, apologize and try to make things better instead of getting nervous and just ruining everything. So that's it. So I hope this video was of some use. Thank you so much. Take care and do let me know if you have any other query. Thank you.